That rumbling sound from your stomach isn't just hunger, it's science in action. When your stomach and intestines are empty, your brain sends signals to start moving food, leftovers, and gas around. This process is called the migrating motor complex. As these muscles contract, they create vibrations, and those vibrations make the growling sound we all know. It's your body's way of saying, "Hey, it's time to eat." Interestingly, your stomach does this even when you're not hungry. It's just louder when it's empty. So next time your belly growls, don't be embarrassed. It's just your body keeping things in motion. Like, share, and subscribe to Brain Science for more.